When you're out at sea, the risk of injuries like fractures and sprains can increase significantly. The unique environment of a ship presents challenges that can lead to accidents. Slippery decks, sudden movements, and heavy equipment can all contribute to these injuries. Understanding how to manage them effectively is crucial for every seafarer. Fractures often occur from falls or collisions, while sprains typically result from twisting or overextending a joint. Both can be serious, especially when medical help is far away. Recognizing the signs is the first step. Look for swelling, bruising, or an inability to move the affected area. If you suspect a fracture, it's essential to immobilize the injury right away to prevent further damage. Now, let's talk about how to manage these injuries. First, assess the situation. Ensure the area is safe and that you're not putting yourself at risk. If you're dealing with a fracture, the priority is to immobilize the limb. Use a splint if available, or improvise with items like rolled-up magazines or a sturdy piece of wood. The goal is to keep the bone in place and reduce movement. For sprains, the R.I.C.E method is your best friend: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Rest the injured joint, apply ice to reduce swelling, wrap it with a bandage for compression, and elevate it above the heart if possible. This approach can significantly alleviate pain and promote healing. Having a well-stocked marine first aid kit is essential for every vessel. Ensure it includes splints, bandages, antiseptic wipes, and ice packs. Regularly check your kit to replace any expired items. Being prepared can make all the difference when an injury occurs. Emergency response is key. Train your crew in basic first aid and ensure everyone knows how to use the supplies in the first aid kit. Conduct drills to practice responding to injuries. This not only builds confidence, but also ensures that everyone knows their role in an emergency. Remember, the best way to handle fractures and sprains at sea is to prevent them. Encourage safe practices on board, like wearing appropriate footwear and using handrails. Regular safety training can help reinforce these habits and keep everyone aware of potential hazards. In summary, managing fractures and sprains at sea requires knowledge, preparation, and teamwork. By understanding the risks, having the right tools, and training your crew, you can ensure a safer environment for everyone on board. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and prioritize safety at sea.